Here at Lowe's now, showing the Black Friday deals. They have 25% off all fresh cut Christmas trees. The price is good from the 29th to December 2nd. Here they have displayed on the Black Friday ad on a board. So the deal goes for 4 days, but it's obviously while supplies last, so. And I have this Cobalt toolbox here, and I like it. It's pretty good. That's a good deal, $298, saving $200. They also have the Warner 6-foot ladder for $59. It was $129. And this is a good mechanic set here for $99. Craftsman. So here's the gift section of Lowe's, and I just arrived at the store at 6:45, so they've been open for 45 minutes, and this is the crowd that's here. It's not good, Lowe's. Night and day difference here between Lowe's and Home Depot in the crowd. All right, here they have that mini toolbox for $12.98. It was $19.98. This is a good kit here for $29.98. This 22-piece drive accessory kit. Here they have the Cobalt 24-volt 4-amp hour battery, 6.5-inch cordless saw for $79. That's a good deal. It was $249, so it's not bad, being it includes the battery and a charger. Here they have different ratcheting wrenches for $39.98 by Cobalt. And they also pivot. There's those Klein screwdriver deals. Now here's their speed out system for $14.98. You're better off going over to Home Depot for the same kit, basically for $10. And here they have the different Bosch laser levels and distance measurers. Your choice of $99 or under. So the cross line level is $49. These would make great stocking stuffers. There's different bit sets by Bosch. There's some Craftsman toolbox deals here. $3.99 for the lower section and $2.99 for the upper. And it has a pegboard in the upper section here, as well as a power strip. It's 52 inches wide, 8 drawer. Holds up to 1,500 pounds and 100 pounds per drawer. Not bad for $300 for that section, another $300 for the other. And here's a smaller option, $169 for this upper, and then $229 for the lower. And if red's not your color, they have it in the black options too. I have a deal on this mid one, but they have the black option of the bigger 52-inch wide one. $3.99 for the lower, $2.99 for the top. Here's a little giant ladder here. That's the 14-foot reach. I believe this is the one that they have on Black Friday special for $94, but they don't have it priced. They just have one giant sign that says under $199, so these are the ones that are $94. At this store here in the ladder aisle, they have it marked for the $94, $98, the little giant. But personally, I would head over to Home Depot to get that Gorilla ladder for $85, and it has an 18-foot reach, so you're getting an additional 4 foot of a ladder for $10 cheaper. And the quality is just the same as Little Giant. Being at this Lowe's, you wouldn't even know it's Black Friday. This is crazy. Here's some Cobalt toolbox options they have here. $339 for the lower and $259 for the upper. And they have one a smaller set here. The lower for $196. It was $269. And the upper for $129. It was $229. Here's the shop vac for $49.98. It's 4.5 horsepower, 12 gallon, 2.5 inch diameter hose. And those are the included accessories there. And here's another option. It's the Craftsman for $54.98. This one's a 5 gallon and 4 horsepower. Here they have some small appliances. They have a small little cooler here for beverages, mini personal fridge cooler. It'll hold 6 cans for $39.99. And here they have the digital air fryer for $49. A Mr. Coffee for $19.99. It was $59. And a Ninja blender for $59. It was $99. And here's a toolbox here by Cobalt. That's the one that I have. I love the color scheme to it, the black with the nice dark blue. Comes with drawer liners. This is on sale for $298. It was $498. Holds a total of 1,200 pounds. Has a built-in power strip. It's on the side here. And they have different color options, but so far I've only seen them in this blue and black. Here they have some Beats portable speakers here that were priced at $149, and they are on sale for $99.99. So they have it in black and like a gold color. And here's some personal hygiene items by Toolkits. You can get a silicone back scrubber for $19.99, a body scrubber for $16.99, a beard scrubber for $12.99, and a face scrubber for $9.99. Seems to be high price for those items. Here's a cool toolbox here by Craftsman. Has an American flag on it. If you're patriotic like I am, I love this box. This one is $5.99. It was $9.98. Holds up to 1,500 pounds, and it's up to 100 pounds per drawer. And here they have another Craftsman here. It has green drawer handles and then black. It's a good combo. This one's priced at $348, so I'm not sure if that's a sale price or if it's lower than that. They don't have any other pricing on it. And Lowe's also has these 27-gallon totes here for $6.97. So if you need any totes, this is the time to get them there. It's a great deal for them. Let me know in the comments below if your Lowe's was a ghost town like this one was, if you shopped on Black Friday. It'll be interesting to know. This was so horribly slow. I never would have thought it was Black Friday being here at this time. And right across the street was Home Depot where it was busy. So let me know. And I appreciate you watching and give me a thumbs up. All right, thanks.